Welcome. This is That Shakespeare Life, and it's time for Weird Word Wednesday. This week, our word is appliance. This word comes up 6 places in Shakespeare's plays, including in Hamlet when Claudius says, "Diseases desperate grown by desperate appliances are relieved," or not at all. Now, he isn't talking about mold growing in your refrigerator here. It's not that kind of appliance. Instead, the word appliance in Shakespeare's plays means remedy, cure, or treatment. Claudius is saying essentially that desperate times call for desperate measures, or a hasty problem is either fixed by a hasty solution or it doesn't get fixed at all. In other places where appliance is used in Shakespeare's works, the word can also mean compliance, subservience, or a means by which to accomplish something, which is tangentially related to the idea of a remedy anyway, but just a little bit more nuanced. So there you go. Now you have one more word you can add to your Shakespeare vocabulary and be just a little bit smarter. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching. I'm Cassidy Cash, and I hope you learned something new about the Bard. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.